BioPlant Life Houseplant Food, the ultimate nutrient solution for healthy indoor and outdoor plants. The simplicity of using BioPlant Life is its greatest advantage. It seamlessly integrates with any type of plant or vegetation. How to use BioPlant Life liquid plant food. For optimal results, add 4 pumps of BioPlant Life to 1 liter quart of water, that is for use with watering can, every time you water your plants. For use directly to soil, add 1 pump for small pots or 2 pumps for medium pots and then water as usual. BioPlant Life recognizes the value of micronutrients, which are essential for your plant's well-being. It is specifically designed to combat nutrient deficiencies by providing all the essential elements needed to maintain a healthier soil environment for your plants. It is a super concentrated, all-purpose liquid plant food for a wide variety of indoor and outdoor plants. With just 1 8-ounces bottle, you can create 75 liters of nutrient-rich liquid houseplant fertilizer. Using BioPlant Life is a breeze. This mixture is suitable for feeding flowering houseplants, foliage-type plants, succulents, edibles, cacti, and more. BioPlant Life is odor-free, ensuring a pleasant experience for both you and your plants. When it comes to the nutrition and care of your houseplants, BioPlant Life houseplant food is your trusted partner. Remember, healthy plants are happy plants. Visit our website for more details: www.bioplant.life.